Best Bluetooth FM transmitters deliver crystal clear wireless audio, hands-free calling, fast charging, and seamless music streaming for safer, smarter driving. My today's video is about top 5 best Bluetooth FM transmitters review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Nulaxi 54W Bluetooth 5.3 car adapter charger. The Nulaxi Bluetooth FM transmitter stands out as a powerful and feature-rich solution for modern drivers who need reliable charging, seamless connectivity, and high-quality audio on the road. Equipped with an impressive 54W fast charging output, including PD36W and QC18W technology, it can efficiently power multiple devices simultaneously through its 4-port charging system. This makes it perfect for long trips or busy daily commutes where battery life matters most. Its upgraded Bluetooth 5.3 technology delivers faster pairing, stable connections, and noticeably clearer sound quality for music streaming and hands-free calls. The deep bass enhancement adds extra richness to audio playback, while the colorful LED lighting improves visibility and convenience during nighttime driving. The thoughtful raise-button design allows easy touch-free operation, and voice navigation support promotes safer driving. With built-in protections against overheating, overcharging, and short circuits, the adapter ensures dependable performance across most 12V, 24V vehicles. Overall, the Nulaxi FM transmitter combines convenience, safety, and premium performance in one compact device. Now our second product is Lihan FM transmitter for car Bluetooth adapter 5.4. This Bluetooth FM transmitter is an excellent upgrade for older vehicles, transforming any non-Bluetooth car into a modern wireless audio system in just seconds. Its enhanced FM signal stability and advanced noise reduction technology significantly reduce static and interference, making it especially effective for crowded city driving and long highway trips. Whether streaming Spotify, YouTube, podcasts, GPS navigation, or hands-free calls, the audio remains smooth and reliable through your existing car radio. The upgraded Bluetooth 5.4 connection ensures faster pairing and stronger connectivity, while the built-in microphone delivers impressively clear hands-free calling even at high speeds. The 48W fast charging system with USB-C PD and QC ports keeps multiple devices fully powered during travel, making it ideal for families and daily commuters. Its compact yet durable design fits securely into most 12V/24V sockets, even on rough roads. The customizable 7-color LED lighting adds a stylish nighttime driving experience, while comprehensive safety protections provide dependable and worry-free performance every journey. Our third product is Lincent FM transmitter. The Lincent T25 Bluetooth FM transmitter delivers an impressive combination of sound quality, convenience, and safety for drivers looking to modernize their car audio experience. Featuring advanced CVC noise suppression and anti-static technology, it provides crystal-clear music streaming and hands-free calling with minimal background interference. Whether using Bluetooth, a USB flash drive, or a microSD card, the transmitter supports multiple audio formats including MP3, FLAC, WAV, and AP for versatile playback options. Its dual USB charging ports allow 2 devices to charge simultaneously, while built-in protections against overheating, overcurrent, and short circuits ensure reliable safety during every trip. The hands-free calling and voice navigation support improve driving convenience, helping drivers stay focused on the road. That a standout feature is the real-time car battery voltage display, which helps monitor vehicle health and avoid unexpected battery issues. The soft blue ambient lighting enhances nighttime visibility without distraction. With broad Bluetooth compatibility and stable FM frequency coverage, the Lincent T25 offers dependable performance and excellent value for daily driving. Now number 4, Synquire Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter car adapter. This Bluetooth FM transmitter combines stylish design powerful performance, and everyday convenience, making it an excellent upgrade for any vehicle. The vibrant rainbow ambient lighting creates a modern driving atmosphere, while the smart light switch design allows users to easily turn the lighting off when desire for distraction-free nighttime driving. Powered by the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology, the adapter delivers ultra-fast pairing, stable connectivity, and minimal audio delay for smooth music streaming and crystal-clear hands-free calls. Its automatic reconnection feature adds extra convenience by instantly connecting to your phone every time the car starts. The dual charging ports, including a powerful 36 WPD USB-C port and 12 USB-A port, efficiently charge multiple devices simultaneously, while advanced safety protections guard against overheating and short circuits. Audio quality is another highlight, featuring hi-fi sound and a one-touch deep bass enhancement that makes music richer and more immersive. With support for Bluetooth and USB playback, intuitive controls, and long-term warranty support, this FM transmitter offers excellent value, reliability, and premium functionality for daily driving. And our last choice is Hundrup Bluetooth 5.4 car adapter. The Hundrup Bluetooth FM transmitter delivers an impressive combination of premium audio performance, fast charging, and user-friendly features that instantly modernize older vehicles. Its advanced noise filtering technology reduces FM interference by up to 80%, creating cleaner and more stable sound quality during music playback and calls. The dedicated bass boost button adds powerful low-end depth, transforming standard car speakers into a richer hi-fi audio experience. Equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.4 chip, the transmitter offers ultra-fast pairing, stronger connectivity, and a reliable 15-meter wireless range for uninterrupted streaming and crystal-clear hands-free communication. The 60W charging system, featuring dual PD USB-C ports and a QC 3.0 port, efficiently powers up 3 devices simultaneously, making it ideal for road trips and daily commuting. The one-press CH Plus and SH tuning buttons simplify frequency adjustments, while voice assistant support and an easy-to-find call button improve driving safety. Real-time voltage monitoring, wide vehicle compatibility, and customizable 7-color ambient lighting complete this stylish, feature-packed FM transmitter designed for convenience and performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.